Hi, my name is Stefan. I'm the owner of Driving School Stefan in Bern. You want to learn how to drive and get your Swiss learner's permit? Excellent choice. And don't worry, I'll guide you through the entire process, step by step. In this walkthrough, I'll explain everything you need to know and do to get started, clearly and simply. Ready? Let's start with step 1. Step 1. Complete a first aid course. Before applying for the learner's permit, you must complete a first aid course. This course typically lasts 10 hours and teaches basic emergency response skills. The certificate is valid for 6 years. Step 2. Undergo an eye test. Have an eye test conducted by a certified optician or doctor. The results are recorded directly on the application form or a separate document from the optician. The test is valid for 2 years. Step 3. Fill out the application form. Download the application form from your cantonal road traffic office's website, complete it and print it out. Ensure all information is accurate and complete. Step 4. Attach a passport photo. Include a recent passport photo with your application. The photo must meet specific requirements, such as a neutral background, direct gaze into the camera, and no head coverings. Exceptions for religious reasons are allowed. Step 5. Submit your application. Submit the completed application along with your first aid certificate, eye test results, and passport photo in person at your local traffic office. Don't forget to bring a valid ID, as your identity will need to be verified. Step 6. Pass the theory test. After your application is approved, you'll receive an invitation to take the theory test. Prepare thoroughly, for example, using learning platforms like Theory24, and pass the test. If you are looking for personal one-to-one theory lessons, please feel free to contact me. Step 7. Receive your learner's permit. Once you've passed the theory test, your learner's permit will be sent to you by mail. With this permit, you can practice driving within Switzerland, but only when accompanied by a driving instructor or someone who is at least 23 years old and has held a full non-provisional driver's license for at least 3 years. Need help? Now you know all the steps needed to apply for your Swiss learner's permit. If you're unsure about filling out the documents or have any questions about the whole process, feel free to reach out to me. I'm happy to support you and help wherever I can. Together, we'll find the best way forward. See you soon, and good luck on your journey to becoming a safe and confident driver.